SQA Advanced Air Mass 2017, question number 6. Use the substitution u is equal to 5x squared to find the exact value of the integral from 0 to 1 over root 10 of x over square root of 1 minus 25 x to the power of 4 dx with respect to x, and this is for 6 marks. Okay, so your differential is this is what you're going to use. So you're going to replace all of the 0, the 1 over root 10 and the dx here. So du by dx is equal to 10x, which means that dx is equal to du over 10x. X is equal to 0, which means that u is equal to 5 times 0 squared, which is also equal to 0. X is 1 over root 10, which means that u is equal to 5 times 1 over root 10 all squared, which is 5 times 1 over 10, which is a half. You can replace that. And this, now when you put these in, you're going to have integral from 0 to a half of x times dx is now du over 10x, and under here this is 5x squared all squared, so that just becomes square root of 1 minus u squared. Okay, so what that gives you is the x cancels out, so you end up with 1 over 10 integral from 0 to a half of du over the square root of 1 minus u squared. So that is equal to, this is arc sine u, 1 over 10 arc sine u, and you're going to find that from 0 to 1 over 10, sorry, 0 to a half, not 1 over 10, 1 over 10 of that, but from 0 to a half. So that's okay. So that is 1 over 10 arc sine of a half minus arc sine of 0, which is equal to, so you should know your 30-degree pi by 6 triangle, right angle triangle, 1 root 3 2, and this is pi by 6. So that means that 1 over 10 times pi by 6, sine of 0 is 0 minus 0. So that just equals pi by 60. That's for 6 marks. So that's good. You have up to about 9 minutes for this question. 1.5 minutes per mark.